Get ready, start. The question of evolving effective procedures for expeditious disposal of complaints received from the public has been under the consideration of the board for some time past. Full stop. It has now been decided in the Chief Engineer's office this work should be entrusted to one of the assistant who should maintain the complaints register. Full stop. The complaints received should be sorted out daily from the fresh receipts and scrutinized before entering them in the complaints register. Full stop. The complaints thus sorted out shall be put up to the action attached to the chief engineer. What the complaints of serious nature shall be brought to the notice of the chief engineer for indicating action. Full stop. Next para. In the board's office, the number of complaints received directly or through the government being fairly large, this work shall be handled by an assistant specifically appointed for the purpose, who will work under the direct control of the secretary. Full stop. Complaints received in the board's office shall be put up to the secretary daily, who in turn will consult the chairman member concerned in respect of all serious complaints so as to ensure quickest possible action. Full stop. As complaints are sometimes addressed both to the board's office as well as chief engineer's office, in order to avoid duplication of work, some complaints will be marked by the secretary to the chief engineers, who will initiate action on all such complaints after entering them in the complaints register and acknowledging them. Full stop. Next para. Complaints referred from one office to another office, except the complaints referred to the chief engineers from the board's office as fresh receipts, shall not be entered in the complaints register, but shall be dealt with as an official reference to be disposed of in an appropriate manner. Full stop. A complaint addressed to different officers shall be entered in the complaint register of all officers concerned and shall be acknowledged by each office. Full stop. In such cases, the office immediately concerned with the complaint should initiate action without waiting for a reference from the higher office. Full stop. Next para. Complaints alleging irregularities of minor nature should be forwarded to the authority next higher to one against whom the complaint has been made. Example, a complaint relating to the subdivision shall be forwarded to the executive engineer and so on for disposal. Full stop. Complaints of a serious nature should be dealt with at the level of SE. Stop.